Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so for a BGB, well, once again, it did a phenomenal, price action. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. And we did reach $8.50. That's amazing. And so we still have an ABC, and I do believe the C is not completed. Let me see here. I'm not sure if I want to make a trend. Let me put it, but just to have, symbolically, if price start to break this downtrend, then I'm going to say maybe perhaps this is the first sign that the correction is completed. Let me just add the 0.236 just to have an idea. So we did react. Actually, now it did react as a resistance twice, this fib retracement. Let me take it out. And it looks like the price is going to go lower. I am convinced it's going to go lower because we did pass the 1-to-1 ratio. Reacted a little bit to this 1.236 extension. But usually the wave C, when it goes below the 1-to-1 ratio, most of the time, he managed to get to the 1.618, and if you look at the price, my god, it's such a confluence of price because it's 389 and the 0.382 it's $3.87, so very very near. We do have the 0.5 still there at 303, and the MA 200 is joining the party at that level, so we have a lot of support still. And I know that's crazy, be able to buy BGB at almost $3. That's crazy, right? And this is why it's important when we do feel that it's the top for this third wave in yellow. The thing to do is to take some profits. Did I do that? I don't remember. Honestly, I don't remember. There are so many coins exploding at that time that I don't think. Yeah, maybe I take partially, but would I wish that I would have taken more? Yes, I did, because look now, price from the top, and for sure, we cannot time the top, but up to now it dropped 43%, and if we go there, that's 55% almost. Worst case scenario, it can go to 64%. So imagine if you just sold 25%. You're buying back at like 50% discount. That's crazy, right? And we know that he has another right to go to the upside. So, well, for the moment, I cannot determine any target for that fifth wave because the fourth wave is not finished. Which one did I want to do? I'm trying to cover coins that people don't cover because, it doesn't make sense for me to cover coins if everybody is following us. Okay, Sonic, honestly, I'm going to be very careful with this coin. Be careful. I'm not sure it's going to go somewhere. You can see today reaction is not good. If it start to drop, anyway, I know there are a lot of people out there that are shilling this coin. Go to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Maybe not that much, so be careful with this one. I'm going to try to, because the history is so short, and we cannot manage to do a higher high, but it's very shy reaction. So if I try to do something here, I would say that you see that it's been a while I didn't. So maybe this is the third wave, fifth wave still to come, and now we're doing the fourth wave. If I can say, I don't know why I put ABC here. Where is the ABC for the one? Let me just double check here. ABC, okay, yeah, it doesn't make sense. So 1, 2, and then ABC, okay, makes sense as well. Let me remove these ones now. I think it's okay. B fine also. So for the fourth wave, I'm going to take the beginning of this allegedly third wave to the top, bring out the wave 4 settings. Okay, so it did react to the 0.236. It would make sense if we could call maybe this a wave, B wave, not even sure it's finished, and then eventually a C wave. Let me move that around a little bit. And if I zoom in a little bit just to see the height, structurally it's a kind of a messy B wave. It looks not that bad though, looks decent. I need to change those default setting, it's like getting me crazy. Okay, so B wave level, it's actually decent. Let me change the color. I think we were on the red and this should be yellow. So fourth wave level for this correction for S, Sonic. I wanted to check. I don't know what happened. My it's not here. That's why. Crypto. There you go. Okay, so I want to check Chronos. Yeah, Chronos is still debating, right? But what's this? It was a possible one too. I had the B wave. So now we need to be careful because that can invalidate our B wave. And so the idea was that this is, let me see here, a wave 1, a wave 2, and now we're working on a third wave. But you know, come on, the price needs to stop going lower, otherwise it's going to reset possibly this wave 2. I mean, it's going to be crazy. Or then this is going to be just an A, a B, and a C. Actually, that's what I label here. Anyway, we are going to double check on that one. I really like the Axie Infinity because no one is talking about it, but we still have some room here to go lower, and I think not invalidating anything. The only thing is it? Yeah, it just recently made a new lower low. So before it was looking not that bad, but if it would have maintained this long-term downtrend and then after skyrocket, but now, man, and you see when people they say when Bitcoin is going to up, everybody's going to go up. Well, actually, Axie Infinity managed to do a lower low. So Chronos did it. Dodge, I'm sure plenty of people they covered that. I'm trying to do someone that I don't see often. Okay, Hbar. So diagonal wave 1, wave 2. Actually, this third wave, it's actually not that bad. This is a very messy chart now because it's been a long time I didn't work on it. See, I can remove some levels. This also I can remove. I think quite a few things got invalidated here. Okay, so now 1, 2. I think the third target, I'm not sure here. That was inside. Let me check the 0.3. Where was it? So we did reach the target. So I could count this as a third wave reach maybe. Was it that one? It's not even that one. Let me remove that, cleanse this chart a little bit. So you can see honestly I am not I don't have time to prepare all my chart, so I do it in front of you. Was this an ABC? Yes, ABC. That's why it's important also, because if you cover many coins, if you don't leave the ABC, I know some people complain that my charts are messy, but I don't have time to go every time and check, was this an ABC? But if I leave it, then you know, it make it easier for me. So this is a third wave, and we did an A, a B, and possibly now we are still working onto this C. Going to change the count now because also the color. Okay, so now I want to draw the fib retracement for this fourth wave for Hbar. Are we already flirting with the maximum we can do? Actually, it still has some room to go. So honestly, not a bad Hbar. I do believe it can go a little bit lower. It wouldn't do any harm. And since we did quite of a spike here to the downside, and I don't see price action that justify like a reversal. Anyway, I don't see it now. I don't see any hint. Maybe it's there, but I just cannot see it. I'm going to attempt to do the estimate the C wave target. You can see that we passed way. Actually, let me take the setting for C wave. Left. Didn't help at all. I'm going to add 1.3. I think that one also not deep enough, is it? Yeah, so we almost reached the 1.618. I do believe, yeah, we're going to go and reach the 1.618. That's going to bring the price down to 1733 or somewhere near there. You can see that the MA200 it's joining the 0.382 of that fib retracement for that fourth wave at 16 cents 7. So I would say I have three levels now that they're kind of, by the time price goes lower, if it does go, these three maybe they're going to very close, especially the MA200 is going to join the fib retracement. All right, and who else I wanted to check? Where is my Kava? Kava. All right, Kava has been a while also. So we had a 1-2 that was an A, a B, and yeah, once again, yeah, we don't want the B wave to go much lower than this level. So, but you know, it could go up to 35 cents and not jeopardize the chart, right? But I could also say this could be an A, B, C for a possible wave 1, since this is the C wave, so it's going to have 5 way up, right? Or possibly just the A. This is A, B, and doing a C. And so just to put it, this could be an A doing a B and a C, and within this C after that we can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just to give you an idea what could happen. But for the moment, if we have nothing, then we're stuck with it. At least the positive thing is we do have the MA200, looks like it's acting as a support. Also we have the fib retracement 0.618, 41 cents to 6, that it can actually did hold act as a support, so we do have that. Okay, let me do Orca. Okay, so Orca, once again, A, B, it's like almost similar to Kronos, but now we really need price to stop to go lower. Otherwise, this chart is going to, unfortunately, be a little bit destroyed. So we don't want that. So still have a chance if price reverse. Let me go and check the RSIs now. 12 hours would be honestly very great if the RSI could be in the deep over sold levels. Would really help, at least give us, we would have several things that of confluence that would indicate that maybe price could be ready for a reversal. But imagine if Bitcoin make a new lower low for that C wave, then we're screwed. Well, actually, Orca is screwed. Otherwise, buyers need to kick in and then start to drive the price up. which, you know, it does happen sometimes, you know, like even if Bitcoin goes down, some coins go up because the buyers, you know, step in and they say enough is enough. Now this is a good level of accumulation, and then we're going to push it higher. That's how it is. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Once again, if you have any comments, any question, drop them in the comments. We do have a Discord channel for the moment. It's free. Eventually, yeah, I'm going to maybe charge something, because I do take quite a time of my day. Okay, have a good day. Bye.